Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create an Apple ID on iPhone. To create an Apple ID on iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings on your device. So once you tap on settings, it will take you to this page. So on this page, what you want to do here, you want to tap on open account. On Apple account. So tap on this Apple account. So once you tap on this Apple account, it will ask you, do you use another Apple device? Bring another Apple device nearby to sign in quickly and easily. Or do you want to sign in manually? Or don't have an Apple account? Because we just want to open a new Apple account. So we are going to come down here. If you check the extreme bottom here, you are going to see don't have an Apple account. So yes, because we do not have, we just want to create a new one. We are going to tap on that, on don't have an Apple account. Tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will take you to the process. So this is where you are going to start creating your new Apple ID from as a new iPhone user. So it will ask you, the first thing it will ask you to do, it will ask you to select your age. To create an Apple account, you need age. An Apple ID, you need your age. So to put in your age, the first thing you want to do, it will ask you to select, are you a child, are you a teen, or an adult? You want to choose adult, depending on who you are, because if you are above 18, you want to choose 18, you want to choose adult. So once you tap on adult, it will take you to this place. This next page is where you are going to put in your name and date of birth. So let's put in our first name. Put in your first name. So your last name. So put in your last name. And select your date of birth. Let's just select November 1997. So once you select that, tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, it will take you to where you can input your email address. You need a Gmail address to register for Apple ID account. So, and note that this will be your new Apple account. This Gmail you want to use is going to be your new Apple account. Please take note of that. So what you want to do here, you just want to put in your Gmail here. Once you put in your Gmail, you want to tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, then follow the instructions as being told, then as being shown on the screen, then you are good to go. So guys, this is how you can actually create a new Apple account very easy and quick.